Have you ever thought of starting out a channel, a YouTube channel, or an online space where you can host a tutorial about graphic design, but have no idea on how to record these tutorials? In this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to record tutorials on your phone, whether you're a video editor, a graphic designer, or any skill at all you want to record on your phone. First thing first, I'll be introducing you to the applications I do use for my recording. So the first thing first here is the X Recorder. This particular app has been so useful to me. I use it to record voiceovers, and I use it to record audios too. Because once you turn it on, you make sure you turn it on, then you make sure that you enable some settings here, because I've been using this for a while now, so all these settings are set already. But once you go to your Play Store and you download this app, you go to your settings and enable some settings. Currently I'm using the free version, but I have a premium app on X Recorder, and if you need this premium app, just comment interested in the comment section, so you'll be able to get it free of charge, no price attached. So once you open the app, you go to settings, then you go to audio settings. You make sure that your audio settings is in 100 or more, and you make sure that it's turned on, because if you don't turn your microphone on, you can just do a voiceover and you won't know that it is silent, that it is. So you have to turn it on to microphone, so you don't waste your time after recording a particular tutorial. The next thing is the video setting. Everything is set here. This is the orientation. I already set it to auto orientation. Auto means it can automatically be vertical or horizontal. Auto is the best for orientation. For the recording mode, because I'm recording, this is a recording, so it's showing me that I can only modify all these things when I'm not recording. So all these things, I enabled these settings. This one is shake to stop recording. This one, you have to disable it. It all depends on your choice, because sometimes you might mistakenly shake your phone and your recording might cut on the way. So that's why I disabled the settings on shake to stop recording. Then other ones, we have these ones, voice changer. I turned it off because I want to make use of my natural voice. Then the theme is dark theme. Depending on your choice, you can leave it at the light theme, but I prefer the dark theme, so I change it to that. On this upper side, we have lots of settings here. We have the brush. This brush is, for example, you want to highlight some things on your tutorial. I just enabled my own now. So we'll make use of this now to see where is applicable. We have the face cam here. This face cam means it's just like you're recording yourself too plus the video. Your face will be showing at one end on your phone, and also the tutorial will be showing. And we have the screenshots here and the floating ball. I prefer to enable this floating ball so that if I want to pause the video, it will be very, very easy for me to pause the video from the ball. These are the floating balls. We have the one for brush, and I have one that is here too, which is for pause or for stop. So it's very advisable to enable them. Now I've already enabled my brush. I've already enabled my brush. Let me go to my Pixel app. For example, I want to record a tutorial on a particular theme. Let's say that I want to highlight this particular tool here as a tutorial. Then I can use the brush, select the color I want to use it to highlight. If I want to delete it, then we tap on this side to delete. This is how you can screen record videos on your screen, because most of the times using the normal recorder that comes with the phone might misbehave, or it might lag on the way. So that is why this X Recorder is also important for this type of tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something useful from this video, hit the like button, share this video, and if you need the premium app of the X Recorder, kindly comment interested in the comment section so that you get it for free. Thank you for watching this video, and on my next video I'll be making a video on how you'll be able to edit the recorded part of the tutorial you recorded, how you'll be able to use the necessary tools you can use, the simple and easy tools you can use to edit your videos for your channel or for any social media handle you're using. Thank you once again for being on this channel. Don't forget to share this video.